Today we are going to talk about the EU Droneport Flight Dispatching Tool. Through this tool you will be able to find all the information related to the flights that we are preparing so that you can fly. On the first page, the main page of the dashboard called Flight Dispatching, you will find a list of all the flights that we are currently coordinating so that you can fly. In it you will find the name, the description, the start date and the coordination status, if it is 100%, 75%, 50% or 0% of its coordination process with different colors that will tell us if things are missing, and the time we have to make the flights. It is a combination between whether any document is missing, that is, whether it is 100% or not, and the remaining time. In addition, we are going to find a map. We are going to find a map with all the points of all the flights that we have planned. For example, if we do above to find the information related to the project, the serial number of this. And above all we are going to find the dispatch table in Ready to Fly, which are still those flights that have already been coordinated, that are prepared and that you have also assigned them a flight date and we have generated the plans of borrow and they are ready to be flown. On the second screen we find the fly log. Flight log. This screen is very similar to the previous one, but it not only contains the flights that are currently being coordinated but all those flights that have already been flown, or have been cancelled. It is a record of all the flights that you have made with us and that we have prepared so that you can fly. In addition to containing the map and the list, you are going to have a filter that will allow us to search for the information in a filtered way. For example, we are going to search for all the flights that Pedro has made, and we are also going to search for the flights that he has made with the DJI Inspire 2. In this way we can filter the information and get a lot of value and a lot of information that we can use to improve our companies. We are going to find the date of the monthly report, in which you are going to be able to draw up a report. You are going to be able to keep full control of the expenses that the flights are causing in their management. In this way, if you filter and want to see all the flights of June, it will come out that you have made a total of 17 locations with 24 hours of management and the total amount of the flights. In this way you will never have the final surprise of the month, but you will be able to derive total control of what you are doing, and the cost it has. The penultimate point, the briefing, you are going to have to access it when you go to pray the flights. If you filter, we are going to search for a flight. For example, if we filter and search for a particular flight, project name of description, we are going to find all the information sorted and summarized. We are going to prepare the map, sorted and summarized so that at the time you are going to fly you can print it or take it out in PDF, share it with the operator's staff and have the hand. And in it we will find a lot of information such as the location, the flight hours, the drone we are going to use, the pilot who is going to fly, all the information related to the authorization, the ATC clearance, in which we are going to find the call sign that you are going to use to talk to the control tower, with whom you are going to talk. In this case it will be the Palma de Mallorca Tower, the airspace manager in the air, the number of the application form, phone numbers, additional notes such as calling by phone, etc. Okay? This can be exported to PDF, it can be shared as we have indicated. And finally in the star icon we are going to find the form to generate a new flight and in it, raining all the information in this form, you are going to be able to request new flights so that we can prepare them and that you can leave to fly without any problem. Thank you very much for your time. Safe flights.